Wow, Lars, I missed you.
I think she has us this time.
Unless we use that.
That?
Not that.
What's that?
Nothing's working! Ah! Oh, boy. The cook!
But it's so cute.
Phew. Mom? Hey, Mom, what are you doing? Oh, whoa, cool! Hey, Yellow, what are you doing? Let me do it. And Yellow! Yikes. Lars! Hey, Lars! Hey, Lars!
There you are. We've been looking all over for you.